Cable, SAT protection. Telephone line protection. 8 outlets. Surge protection. High def ready. Power cleaning and filtration eliminate loss of detail, pops, hisses, hums, visual artifacts and other common symptoms of contaminated power. Protect, disconnect circuitry completely disconnects AC power to connected equipment in the event of a catastrophic surge such as lightning. Top reviews from the United States. My Electric Co-op recommends these exact model surge protectors to protect everything that a whole house surge protector can't, specifically anywhere cable comes in through a wall. So the whole house protector covers surges coming through the power lines, and this protector covers the rest of your entry points. What I really love about this is that I paid $21 each for these through Amazon. My utility co-op charges $90 each for the exact same model, the PM8-AV, and they say they sell them at their cost. I've suggested they should start getting them through Amazon.